Now with another day comes another Minecraft YouTube video. Hello everybody, I am the Diamond Espeon, here to showcase yet again another addition to the Crossbreed Project. Now, what is the Crossbreed Project, you may be asking? Well, I won't be explaining that till later, but if you want an explanation now, just look in the description of some of my more recent videos. You know, both of them, plus this. Anyway, so today we'll be showcasing my third edition. The fourth is over there for those who are wondering what that is. I'll be showing that later today. Now, what this character is a person who pretty much has cells that are similar to that of a plant. Now, when you flick this lever, it will activate the abilities. It'll activate the abilities, right? Now, immediately you notice a strange burst of speed and defense. Now, I should probably turn this off. Now, for those who are wondering what that is for, this is because of the actual ability. Now, as the sun grows higher in the sky, you start to gain different buffs. For example, right here, you get a speed and resistance 1 boost. And then slowly they start becoming better and better. Like, you start getting strength, which you already have here. And then a higher speed boost. And then higher resistance. To the point where you actually gain saturation. Now, the thing is that this is great and all, especially when it hits noon, where, you know, you pretty much have infinite hunger, meaning infinite regeneration, which means under the right circumstances, you are near invincible. And of course, not entirely, because at the difficulty I am at, my regeneration is very, very slow. But now you may be wondering, well, what's with this other row over here? Well, if you look over here, there is a daylight sensor, but it's more of a night light sensor. I don't know. Is there an official term for that? I personally am not aware. Now, if we go over here and set the time to night, you will notice that these effects will go away, and then they'll start be replacing with negative effects. Now, as it grows darker and darker, which it did so very quickly, you'll start getting slowness, then weakness, then slowness 2, to the point that when midnight is to come around, I'll speed that process up, you actually gain the nausea effect. Now, this is probably the worst of the effects because you cannot focus on one block. For example, I'm just going to have my thumb in this one place, and I'm now on 4 different blocks without moving it at all. Now, this problem can be solved, sort of, with split controls, but even then, I mean, you're still going very wonky, and it's very difficult to aim a shot, especially with the fact that even if you do, you have weakness, so not exactly the best combination. Now, I'm going to set this up to noon, where you are at your strongest as this character, and turn off split controls, because I hate those. Now, with this strength and resistance and stuff, you're able to do a whole lot of damage, and do a lot to escape mobs. For example, I'm going to just go and punch these chickens, and you'll notice that I am one-shotting them without any effort. Of course, there is no effort done, because this is Minecraft and all, but still, one-shotting them. Now, with a speed and resistance, you can also evade them and strike back with a lot more power. Anyway, that is the third addition to the Crossbreed Project. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you later.